Welcome to Module 4 of our Power BI training course, From Puny to Peerless. This course is designed to take you from a complete beginner to an advanced Power BI user, helping you harness the full potential of the software. This course will equip you with the necessary skills. Let's dive into the world of Power BI and begin our journey. Throughout this module, we will cover 1. An introduction to visual elements in Power BI, such as tables, bar charts, line charts, and slicers. 2. Best practices for visual storytelling, ensuring your reports effectively communicate insights. 3. Implementing interactive features including filters, slicers, and drill-throughs. And 4. A practice task to build an interactive sales dashboard with filters and slicers. We will follow the instructional format by answering these key questions. What is it, or what are they? How does it, or do they, work? Why is it, or are they important? How can I, or we, use it? Real-world examples, key takeaways, and practice task and solution. What are visual elements in Power BI? What are they? Visual elements in Power BI are data representations that allow users to analyze and interpret information through charts, tables, maps, and interactive visuals. Common visual elements include tables, displays data in rows and columns, useful for detailed views. Bar charts, compares categorical data with horizontal or vertical bars. Line charts, shows trends over time using continuous data points connected by a line. And slicers, interactive filters that allow users to slice data by categories. For example, product and date. How do they work? Users drag data fields, for example, sales amount and product name, into visual fields, for example, axes and values. Power BI renders the data visually, allowing users to interact with and explore the information. And visuals are linked, meaning selecting data in one visual filters other visuals automatically. Why are they important? Visual elements simplify complex data, making it easier to identify patterns, outliers, and trends. Effective visualization helps stakeholders understand data insights quickly and take action. Example period. A sales manager might use a bar chart to compare revenue by region, identifying which areas are underperformed during a quarter. Best practices for visual storytelling. What is it? Visual storytelling is the practice of designing reports and dashboards that guide users through key insights, ensuring clarity and relevance. How does it work? Start with a question. Identify the purpose of the report. For example, how are monthly sales trends changing? Choose the right visuals. Use visuals that best represent the data type. For example, line charts for time series data. Emphasize key insights. Highlight important data points using formatting, labels, or color coding. And avoid clutter. Limit the number of visuals per page to maintain focus. Why is it important? Good visual storytelling enhances data comprehension, helping users focus on actionable insights rather than getting lost in unnecessary details. Example: telling a story with sales data. A dashboard designed to track sales performance might include a line chart showing monthly sales trends, a bar chart comparing sales by product category, and a KPI card displaying the total revenue for the current quarter. Interactive features, filters, slicers, and drill through. What are they? Interactive features allow users to interact with reports by applying filters, slicers, and drill through actions to explore data dynamically. Why are they important? Interactive features empower users to explore and customize reports, providing deeper insights without needing to modify the underlying report design. How do they work? Filters limit the data shown in visuals based on criteria, for example, filter by date range. Slicers, interactive controls that allow users to select categories for filtering, for example, product or region. And drill through enables users to click on a data point to navigate to a detailed report page focused on that point. Example, implementing interactive features. Add a date slicer to filter visuals by time period. And configure drill through to let users click on a region in a map, visual, and view detailed sales data for that region. Steps to add a slicer. Drag the date field onto the report canvas. Convert the visual to a slicer. And format the slicer to display as a drop-down or range slider. Real-world examples. Scenario 1. Sales dashboard. A company builds an interactive sales dashboard that includes a bar chart comparing revenue by region, a line chart showing monthly trends, and slicers for filtering by product category and sales representative. Scenario 2. Healthcare analytics. A hospital uses Power BI to track patient visits. The report includes tables displaying visit details by department, and filters for selecting time periods and diagnosis categories. Scenario 3. Logistics operations. A logistics company creates a shipment tracking report with map visuals showing delivery routes and drill through links to detailed pages for each shipment. Here are some key takeaways from this module. Power BI offers a wide range of visual elements, including tables, charts, and slicers. Best practices for visual storytelling improve data clarity and insight communication. Interactive features like filters, slicers, and drill-throughs enhance user engagement and data exploration. And real-world applications include sales analysis, healthcare reporting, and logistics monitoring. Let's reinforce what we've learned with a hands-on exercise. Build an interactive sales dashboard. Task instructions. Download and connect to the sales data dataset. Create the following visuals: a bar chart showing total sales by product category, a line chart showing monthly sales trends, and a slicer for filtering by region. Finally, add a drill-through feature to navigate to a detailed sales report page. Solution steps. First, connect to the dataset. Click Get Data, then text/CSV, and select the sales data.csv file and click Load. Then, create visuals, period. Bar chart, drag product category to the axis field and total sales amount to the values field. Line chart, drag sale date to the axis field and total sales amount to the values field. And slicer, drag region to the slicer visual. And finally, add drill through. Create a new report page for detailed sales data. And enable drill through by dragging region to the drill through filters area. Expected result. The dashboard should allow users to filter data interactively and drill through to detailed reports. That brings us to the end of this module. Remember, Mastering Power BI is a journey, and every step you take will bring you closer to becoming proficient. Stay curious, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next module as we continue our Power BI adventure. You've got this.